I would like to see my Jamaican people get fair treatment in every aspect. Just like on YouTube, to give your brain some new food. Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment, but more than anything, I'm asking that you subscribe to the channel. Today I'm going to be discussing bail in Jamaica. The Bail Act has recently became a topic that was being discussed between Horace Chang, who is the Minister of Security, the DPP, which is the Department of Public Prosecution, and also Superintendent, I believe Stephanie Lindsay was a part of the panel that was discussing the conditions of bail. So the argument is like this. One set of parties believe that the bail should not be amended. The Bail Act should not be amended, meaning, okay, the main argument was serious crimes in Jamaica, like murder and rape, the worst of the worst crime in Jamaica. It is being argued that some people should not be given bail, and it is being argued that the Constitution states that every Jamaican is entitled to bail on a charge. Okay, amendments can be made, and when it comes to issuing bail to someone who has been charged for a crime, usually within the scope of the law, it's all in the discretion of the judge. So if the Constitution states that the judge can give a minimum of no bail to a minimum of, let's say, $1 for bail to $10 million for bail, or no bail at all, the judge has that scope to apply his or her discretion. But the reason why I decided to take on this topic is because I realized that most people were injecting their own personal feelings, you know. And we have an old saying in Jamaica, if God was like man, you know, if God was like man, he would have dealt with this situation this way. He would have dealt with situation this way. But God is God. In this case, the Constitution is God of the law, and the Constitution is set in stone. Obviously, rally can be made and amendments can be made. Rules are made to be amended, rules are made to be deleted, and so on and so forth. But keep it in mind with the current Constitution of Jamaica, where every Jamaican is entitled to bail when he or she has been charged for a crime. We have to respect that, and we have to also respect the powers of judges. Keep in mind that someone who has been charged for rape or murder, under the law, this person is not yet guilty. What I'm saying is every Jamaican, yard and abroad, that's walking around today can be apprehended by the police and can be charged for a crime. That is just the preliminary steps when it comes to crime and incarceration worldwide. The arrest, the charge, is just the preliminary stage. That's the early stage of a case. And in the early stage of a case, not because a person is charged means that a person is guilty, you know. And from what I was listening to, what the people were saying on the panel is someone who's been charged of a crime, in their eyes, really, even though they didn't say it, in their eyes, really, if you've been charged for rape, it means you're guilty of rape. If you have been charged for murder, it means that you're guilty of murder. And that's a no-no. And because that is a no-no, factual, not only for me, I believe that we have to respect the Constitution, and everybody who has been charged for a crime, small or major crime, should be entitled to bail. However, I also believe that, let's say an individual who has been charged for murder and was issued bail and he made bail, is out in society and committed another crime, whether it's a small crime or equal crime to murder. I believe that that person bail should be revoked. Again, that's just my belief. However, that's up to the discretion of the judge in accordance with the Constitution. Judges have guidelines to follow, and we, the citizens, also have guidelines to follow. We have rules and regulation of the country that we have to follow. And then we have the Constitution, which governs the rules and regulation of the country. We have to all abide within the scope of that. So as much as I believe that an individual who's been bailed for an aggravated crime goes out in society on his or her bail and commit another crime, that person's bail should be revoked, or that person's bail should just be put at a ridiculously enormous amount that makes it almost impossible for any one individual to pay without question. So that's pretty much my take where bail is concerned in Jamaica, where the Jamaican citizens are concerned. I would like to see my Jamaican people get fair treatment in every aspect of life and society, especially in their home country of Jamaica. So once again, I'm saying if a person commits a crime, let me not say commit a crime, if a person has been charged for a crime, if there has been allegation around a particular person where police put interest in that particular person, arrest that person because eyewitnesses claim that this is the person, or preliminary evidence is pointed out to that person being the right person that's being accused, under the scope, whether you like the person or not, whether you like the alleged crime or not, we have to respect the law and we have to let that person benefit from the law. In this case, law-abiding Jamaicans are covered by the Constitution just as much as criminal-minded Jamaicans are covered by the Constitution. We are all Jamaicans, whether we like each other or not, whether we're good people or not. And the Constitution has been written for all Jamaicans, not accept this class or accept these people. I want that viewpoint to be eliminated from my culture for the simple fact that it is a sense of prejudice. It is a sense of divide. It is a sense of segregation where we're fighting that one class of people benefit from the Constitution and another class of people are exempt from the Constitution. In my eyes, that doesn't go. That's pretty much all I had to say. You know, this is a very short video, but I believe that it is an important point for people who are interested in the governance of Jamaica, the law and order of Jamaica. Every little changes or every little argument where the Constitution is concerned is worth learning about, is worth hearing, is worth having your say about it, because as much as Jamaica have a ruling political party, do not forget, we are the government. The people of Jamaica are the government, and our opinion, our vote, our viewpoint counts, and it is what helps shape Jamaica to be Jamaica. That's pretty much all I have to say, people. As you know, on this channel, I appreciate thumbs up and thumbs down, agreement and disagreement, because at the end of the day, people, each one teach one. You've reached the end of my video, and that in itself is a support that I truly appreciate. Other ways that you can support this channel is by giving this video a thumbs up. But the most important way to support my channel is to hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out on any of my future uploads. The third way to support this channel is to go to my Teespring account and purchase in any of my merch. And the fourth way that you can support this channel is joining me on Patreon to give me a contribution to help me to do what I do here on YouTube. Once again, I want to thank all of you guys for checking out my video and ask that you continue to join me, ENT Sabas, here on YouTube to see where my journey takes me. Until next time, peace.